Al-Fadli, Minister of Environment, Water and Agriculture, His Excellency Bandar Ibrahim Al-Khuraif, Minister of Industry and Mineral Resources, His Excellency Ibrahim Al-Mubarak, Assistant Minister of Investment, His Excellency Muhammad Mujahid Al-Tuwajri, Secretary General of Saudi Pakistan Supreme Coordination Council, honorable guests from the Ministry of Energy and representatives of Public Investment Fund of Saudi Arabia, my honorable colleagues, federal ministers, Minister of States, worthy representatives of SIFC, distinguished members of the Saudi delegation, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon. It is indeed a singular honor and privilege to welcome you all today at this special Investment Facilitation Council Forum. Pakistan and Saudi Arabia share deep-rooted brotherly ties anchored in our rich Islamic heritage and mutual strategic interests. Your presence here, Excellencies, today underscores the deep and abiding connection between our two great countries, a partnership founded on mutual respect, shared goals, and a vision for a prosperous future. A long-standing and time-tested friendship and relationship with Saudi Arabia, significant element of our foreign policy. We aim to transform our traditionally fraternal ties into a lasting strategic and economic partnership. Highness, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, to our esteemed guests from the Kingdom, let me reiterate that your investments are not just financial commitments, but are crucial in nurturing a deeply also stand to make a sterling contribution to regional peace and stability. It is through the SIFC platform that we intend to streamline investment processes while ensuring rapid decision-making and efficient handling of investments. The SIFC has a central role in augmenting our infrastructure and streamlining our regulatory frameworks to set the stage for a flourishing investment-friendly economic environment. The Council is here to ensure that investment processes are swift and mutually beneficial, embodying our commitment to facilitating foreign direct investment in Pakistan. Highness, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan is blessedly endowed with fertile agricultural land, a dynamic population, and vast mineral wealth, complemented by a vibrant IT sector and abundant prospects for renewable energy, including solar, hydro, and wind power. Our agriculture sector, a backbone of our economy, thrives on fertile land and a vast network of water resources, presenting numerous investment opportunities in agri-tech and food processing. Pakistan can prove to be region's food basket. Our IT sector is burgeoning, supported by a large tech-savvy youth population and initiatives that foster innovation, such as technology parks and a series of government incentives. Highness, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, importantly, our mining sector is marked by untapped potential, especially in the expensive Tethyan belt, known for its abundant deposits of copper, gold, and other valuable minerals. The strategic advancements in these areas are highlighted by projects such as Rikodik Copper Project, which exemplifies our commitment to leveraging our natural resources for mutual benefit. As we continue to enhance our infrastructure and regulatory frameworks, our goal is clear: to transform Pakistan into a hub of economic activity and innovation, creating an attractive environment for global investors, particularly our Saudi brothers. honorable esteemed guests from the kingdom, let me assure you that investing in Pakistan is not merely a placement of capital. It would actually be instrumental towards forging a partnership that promises mutual prosperity and progress. Your engagement and investment in Pakistan will be handled with the utmost respect and an institutionalized commitment from our side, ensuring that together we achieve remarkable success. Highness, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the bonds between our two beloved countries are set to strengthen further. Through these collaborative efforts, we look forward to witnessing the fruits of our shared endeavors, which I am very confident will bring about significant economic growth and lasting benefits to people of our both countries. Dear Highness Brother and Excellencies, thank you once again for your presence here and your commitment to this common journey of prosperity and development. Together, let us seize the abundant opportunities that lie ahead with a view to ensuring that our cooperation yields prosperity and growth for our both nations and the broader region. We look forward to constructive engagement and deliberation at this important meeting, and I extend my heartfelt thanks to His Highness, Royal Highness, the Crown Prince, who within days of our visit to Saudi Arabia has been very kind to send under your leadership my Highness Brother to visit Pakistan and take the discussion further. We hope, inshallah, it will end very productively, very positively, and we look forward to work in your leadership together to reach a common goal. Thank you very much.
So I now invite His Highness Prince Faisal